God, bro, shut up.
The National Weather Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Sumner County in Middle Tennessee, West Central Macon County in Middle Tennessee,
I'm never gonna get any sleep
Southeastern
like this.
Robertson County in Middle Tennessee,
Dang.
until 2 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:13 a.m. Central Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Portland to Millersville, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Intact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Gallatin, Hendersonville, Goodlettsville, White House, Millersville, Greenbrier, Westmoreland, Ridgetop, Cross Plains, Portland, Bethpage, Oak Grove, and Cottontown. This includes Interstate 65 between mile markers 101 and 109. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Well, looks like I'm gonna get no sleep tonight, you guys. None. I'm gonna get no sleep.